order, a funny kind of chaos, that's for sure. A cat takes a leap, a dog gives a stare, a parent starts poking, a dance in the air.